Good morning. Time to make the coffee. Hazelnut with chocolate creamer. And no, it's not a K-cup. It is loose coffee in the little coffee pod thing that I refill myself. So it's much cheaper than K-cups, but I do enjoy a K-cup every now and then. So I like that this coffee maker will do both. It makes nice drip coffee from either loose or K-cups. So anyway, today's going to be 84 degrees, mostly clear. It's a very cool morning. I just came back from feeding my little buddies next door, my friend's dog and cat. So 2 more days of that before she gets home. So I'll be glad when she is home, because I always have to remember to go over there and let them out. But anyway, I've been up since 3:30. I woke up and couldn't fall back asleep. So I'm thinking today probably a nap is in order. In fact, right now that sounds pretty good. But not yet. If I take a nap, it'll just be a short one, and that probably won't be till about 1 o'clock. And then I usually can't fall asleep anyway, but then I fall asleep earlier at night, so it all works out okay. I've always pretty much slept 5 or 6 hours a night. That seems to be all the sleep that I need. So some people need a little more, some people need a little less, but I rarely sleep 8 hours. I'm not that tired, I guess. I don't know. But I do sometimes drag my way through the day. But that's more a physical thing. So, all right, let's give the coffee a try. Cheers. Oh, that's good. First cup is always the best. So today I have a bunch of food I need to cook up so that it doesn't go to waste. And then I'll have food again for a couple days. And I do like to cook during the day as opposed to in the evening. I just don't have the energy to cook dinner. So I always cook it early, and that works out great for me. A lot of countries eat their main meal at lunchtime, and then they have a sandwich in the evening, which I suppose is a little healthier than having a big meal at night. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you eat a big dinner, or do you have your main meal at lunchtime? So I'm going to go enjoy my coffee, do my morning pages, and then I will meet you at the budget book. All right, well, good morning. I just wanted to show you my cabbage core. Look at all those little cabbage nubs coming up. I just have it in some water. I'm going to try and grow some roots and stick it out in the garden. Hopefully it won't rot before the roots come up, but anyway, I thought that was interesting. I've had this cabbage in the fridge for quite a while. So I'm trying to use up what I have in the fridge. So I found a ciabatta roll in there. And I always open it so that some of the condensation will dry up. Otherwise, I find it gets soggy spots. I had these plant-based chicken strips in there for a while. So I'm going to make those. And what I want to do... Oh, they think I have cheese. No, it's not cheese, buddy. It's not cheese, it's just chicken strips, and they're not even real ones. They're just fake chicken strips. Yes, I know. I know. So I'm just going to cook these up. And I want to make a chicken salad out of them to eat on my ciabatta roll. So I'm done with these now. And these are by Gardein. And I know some people, oh, fake meat, but the ingredients in there aren't too bad, and it's non-GMO. 15 grams of protein, 130 calories. And they're very versatile. You can use them like real chicken. So anyway, and they cook in 7 to 9 minutes. So I'm just going to cook those up. And then I also, from the cabbage, I cooked up, because it needed to be eaten, I cooked up all this cabbage and onions, and I'm going to cook up some pasta and have cabbage and noodles. I think that'll be delicious. So that's going to be for dinner. And then I also, out of part of the cabbage, made this coleslaw, and that has raspberry vinaigrette dressing on it. So that I can eat with my chicken sandwich. So that's what's for meals today. I'm going to put this back in the fridge. And this I'm going to cook and let it cool and then mix it up like a chicken salad. So there we go, trying to use up the food I have and save some money. It's always a project. All right. Well, while that's frying up, I have some more things that I have to eat that I don't want to throw away. I have this little tiny piece of tomato. Nope, I won't waste it. If nothing else, I would stick this in my soup scrap, but I'm going to eat it because I still have half an avocado, and I always store these with the seeds in them so that they stay kind of not brown. Seems to work for me. So I need to eat that. That's going to be my breakfast. And then I have these I got out of the freezer too. They're everything croissants, actually. I've never seen those before. I got them at Aldi's. They were okay, but they need to be eaten. And this is what they look like. Kind of like a croissant. I do like croissants, but I wasn't real impressed with those. And then I still have 2 slices of vegan lunch meat. So I'll eat those on one with some cheese, and then I will also eat the avocado. I'm going to make that into a guacamole and eat that with the tomato. So I'm still frying up my chicken here, and that's almost done. I'm going to let it cool and then make it into a chicken salad. So just eating up what I have, and if you missed my 365 days of cooking down my freezer, I've got a whole 365 days of what I cooked, what I ate. So, and actually, that got to be kind of fun. But now I'm continuing to eat down what I have. And it's not my mission to deplete everything, but I would like to get it down to not that much food, because it's only good for so long. So anyway, that's what I'm eating today. Oh, and I also made a pot of cold brew coffee, and I just use the coffee from the Dollar Tree, and I put it in here, and then let it brew in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. So now I'm going to take this out, and this will go in the compost. So this iced coffee will last me a week. So there we go, trying to save money on food, and it's been working really well for me so far. So don't waste what you have, only buy what you need, but have a stockpile too. And then only buy what you need. So there we go. They love raw pasta. It's a feeding frenzy. Okay, that was the second batch. That's all, guys. That's it. Yum. Grandson brought me a golden donut and a Dunkin' Donut iced coffee. Yum. Let's give the golden donut a taste. Very sweet and very good. Just right for an afternoon snack. Well, okay, I spent a good part of my day today cooking up some food that I had. I had cabbage from the refrigerator that's been in there probably a month and a half. I had some frozen bread that I thawed out. I got some chicken strips, not chicken, out of the freezer. Finished that up, and as far as making a chicken salad, really good. And then I looked through all the cookbooks that I got from the library, and I went through all the recipes, all the plant-based recipes that I thought I could make from the things I already have. So I don't have to shop for anything in the recipes. It's all things that I already have, and it's going to help me along on my mission to use up the food that I already have. So I didn't go to the store today again. I add things to my list as I go along, but it's been quite a while since I went food shopping, and I could go another week if I wanted to, if not longer, without going to the store. So I don't know, we'll see. Some of the things I'd like to have, but it's not like I have to have them. So we'll see. It's not that I am deprived and don't, have the money to go to the store. I just don't feel like going to the store. So until I absolutely have to, I won't. So that was my day today. I still didn't get to the garage, but that's okay. At least I cooked up some of the food for future me and future meals, so that when I do go work in the garage, I won't have to worry about having to make a meal, which is always nice. And I hadn't done a cooking video in quite a while, and so I thought I would just spend the day with you in the kitchen cooking up some food. So if you have food in the fridge that's been in there a while, go online and plug in your ingredients and see if you can't find a recipe and use up things that you already have. So, alright my friends, well that's all I have for you today. I want to wish you abundant blessings. I love you guys. Be good to yourself, be good to others. God bless you, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching.